Hello friend, this is Star World TV. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start the video. Hide online status on iPhone using WhatsApp++. If you have your iPhone, you can install WhatsApp++ on your device. You need to jailbreak your iPhone to install WhatsApp++. That will hide your online status. Follow the simple steps to hide online status on the iPhone. Jailbreak your iPhone to install WhatsApp++ into your device. Now, download WhatsApp++ app and install it on your iOS device. Now tap on Writing Status, Typing, to change anything. Path, go to the Settings Privacy tap on Writing Status and there you go, you can hide typing stamp for WhatsApp on your iPhone.